wrap out things. So we'll end about 380 points higher on the Nifty. So 22,550. So very decent bounce. But of course, we saw world markets also posting a decent session here in Asia, and I think in Europe as well. Even US futures, I think, are continuing a little bit of stability that we saw last night. So that is that. To be sure, I mean, there are no headlines out there except that fake one last night. There are no tariff headlines which suggest that there is a relief of any sort. This is just markets doing their thing after what basically was 2 days of very large selling comparable to some big historical events. So that's what we are seeing. So this is a market which still remains hostage to headlines and news flow, etc., as and when it comes through. Those are indices, those are changes. I think the mid and the small cap indices also end about 2% higher. It's a decent looking session all told for markets. The big gainers on the Nifty are Jio Financial Services, Shriram Finance, Bharat Electronics, Cipla, Aisha, Grasim and Titan, which really stood out. And of course, very few, actually one or two losers, that's it. So not bothering with that. And of course, I mean, gainers are Vijaya Bank, 5 Star, Keynes and PG Electroplast. Something like a Chola Holdings was a big winner. OneSource, Sequent Scientific. On the downside, 2 names, Delivery, huge volumes. And there was IGL, of course, on the back of that Delhi news flow, which was down sharply, some 7.5% or so. I think it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you for your time. Thanks for staying with us, but don't go anywhere. Markets forward. We'll pick up on all the action in just a bit.